Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily create the I like the way kiss me photo dump trend in the CapCut mobile. So this trend can easily be found under the CapCut template. So first you can go to the templates and click on the search column and just type in the I like. Okay, this keyword, I like the way kiss me. Click on that keywords, and after that here there will be some results. You can just choose which one that you think fits your style the best. For example, this one here, I'm going to use this one. Click on the use template and then just add your photos. So after you select the photos, click on next. Okay, so here is the preview for the I like the way kiss me for a drum trend video, and if you like with the result you can just click on export. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.